Hey guys, Jacoby here, back with another item shop video. Today I'm actually really happy because I got my mics fixed, as you can tell, and I also bought the icicle, so I'm actually really happy. I'm just gonna be quiet for a minute that we can hear my mic, and it's not buzzing. Here, just listen to this for a minute. I love it so much. I'm sorry for my mic. That was recently really bad. I'm really sorry for that. But now it's better, so yeah. We got the long shot skin. It's like leaves covering it almost. It's really cool. I like the skin. The scope satchel backbling. Then we got the insight. I think the back blings are like sniper holders, like sniper cases. Pretty cool. Then we get the hazard agent with the contagion back bling. And we got the chromium. Pretty cool skin. And we got the snow squall. It's pretty cool. Tactical spade. That's what that sounds like. Then we get the make it rain. Then we get the shake it up. Pretty cool. I like it. Alright, well, I'll see you guys next item shop video. Have a good night. Peace.